In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save money on Google Ads with a proven approach. Whether you're new to Google Ads or looking for ways to optimize your spending, this guide will walk you through some simple yet effective steps. First, let's start by heading over to Google Ads. You can do this by entering Google Ads into your search engine or simply go to ads.google.com. This is where you can get more customers and sell more through online advertising. Once there, you'll want to sign in. You can find the sign in button at the top right corner of the homepage. Signing into your account ensures you have all the necessary access to manage your campaigns effectively. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads homepage. This is your dashboard, the control center where you can monitor all your ongoing and past ad campaigns. From this point, click on the Campaigns tab. This section is crucial as it allows you to view all your campaigns, giving you a clearer picture of what's active and where your money is currently being allocated. Next, we'll start optimizing. Click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This is a powerful tool within Google Ads that helps you target the right audience, select keywords, and refine the content for your ads. By adjusting these parameters, you can ensure your ads are reaching the people most likely to become your customers, and this targeted approach helps save on unnecessary ad spend. Now it's time to set a precise schedule for when your ads should run. Click on Ad Schedule. This feature lets you choose specific days and times you want your ads to be shown. By doing this, you avoid spending money on ads that run during times your target audience is less likely to see them, like during off-business hours or weekends if those are not peak times for your business. Finally, select Schedule. This will give you the final say in pinpointing the exact timing for your ad campaigns. Careful scheduling can significantly reduce wasted spend by focusing your budget on periods with the highest potential returns. Make sure to analyze your audience's habits and preferences, adjusting your ad schedule to match peak engagement times. There you have it. With these steps, you can fine-tune your Google ad strategy, ensuring that each dollar spent is contributing towards reaching your business goals. Efficiently managing your Google ads not only saves money, but also improves the overall performance of your online marketing efforts. Thanks for joining me, and I hope these tips help you get the most out of your advertising budget.